This is going to blow your mind. Freecountry One is taking YouTube by storm, and here's why. Freecountry One is like the Swiss Army knife of YouTube channels. From uncovering hidden travel gems to sparking your DIY creativity, there's something for everyone. They're thought-provoking documentaries on social issues to total game changers. But what really sets them apart? It's the way they connect with their audience. Interactive live streams, heartfelt comments, and social media shout-outs. Freecountry One makes you feel like part of the family. This tight-knit community boosts loyalty and engagement, leading to more content shares and new subscribers. Their skyrocketing popularity has opened doors for some seriously cool collaborations and sponsorships. And guess what? That means even better content for us. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the Freecountry One family. Trust me, you don't want to miss out.